Alright, I think I've had enough people asking me how to actually do it, so that's what it is. I'm going to drift out the rear sight, and I'll take it apart from there. Something to note, if you've never taken out the sight before, you're gonna have a loud pop like I just did. I forgot that I never done it on this one yet, so let's get going. See, pops, 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 pops. Boop. And that's it. Other side is out. Now we can start. And this is super easy. Excuse me. Yeah, once you get the sight out, you don't have to put tape. It's recommended so you don't scratch it up. It's getting Cerakote anyway. So anyway, as you can see, this thing just flew out of it. It didn't fly out, but the rear plate just comes right out. Some of them you have to punch out. This one came right out. Pretty simple. And how do we take the rest apart? Pull out your striker, or I'm sorry, your firing pin. And I don't really remember because it's been a while. Pretty sure this pin, this top pin, only comes out one way, and that's through the top. So you got to turn it upside down. Make sure you get yourself 1/16 is what this is. Get my little hammer. Oops. Let's see here. See, punches through the top. Should come right out. If it's not big a pain in the ass, but it is. And this is how, excuse me, this is how the extractor comes out. See, it's in there, it's in there. Oh, look at that. This pin no longer holds it in, so it will lift. Oh. And it will launch your plunger. Perfect. At least I found it. It's right here. Boop. Easy enough. There's your pin. I need to take it out. So, oh, there we go. Came right out. There we go. And as far as the front sight goes, I mean, I'm going to take that out, but it's pretty self-explanatory. But that is completely disassembled. Simple, easy. Very easy. So, for those that wanted to know, that's it. Obviously, just to put it back, reverse order. That's it.